Hey guys, let's make healthy and crispy moong dal snacks, which is best option in winter. For this, soak half cup of moong dal for 1 hour. If you don't have time, you can even soak it for half an hour and grind it to a paste. Take a bowl, add the moong dal paste, some cumin seeds, turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder. Here I'm adding some more chili powder because I like the spicy snacks. If you have kids, you can add the chili powder accordingly as per your taste. Now take half tablespoon of ajwain, crush it with your hand as shown in the video. Add it to enhance the taste of these snacks and to make it even healthier. I am adding half tablespoon of black sesame seeds. Add salt as per taste. Now I am going to add wheat flour. Here I am not using any maida, so this is very healthy option for kids as well as for adults and who are health conscious. So even with wheat flour you can make crispier snacks. I bet you are going to make this 2 to 3 times per week. Here I forgot to add oil, so I am adding some oil. Knead the dough. It took 10 minutes for me to knead the dough, so you have to knead it nicely until it forms a hard dough. The dough shouldn't be so soft as chapati dough, because if the dough is soft then our snacks wouldn't be crispier, so it should be little hard. So finally our dough is ready. Here you can see. Now divide the dough into equal parts. Here I am making small balls out of it. You can make even bigger balls because it's up to you. Here I am making small balls, so it came around 4 balls out of this dough. So take one ball and roll it by using rolling pin as thin as possible as shown in the video. And now spread some oil and sprinkle some maida flour. Even you can use wheat flour. So fold the dough as shown in the video. Here this folding plays vital role in making crispier snacks. So again roll it. At this stage it shouldn't be so thin. It should be of medium thickness. If it is too thin, then while frying in oil, our snacks wouldn't look like layers. So make sure it should be of medium thickness as shown in the video. Now cut into the pieces. Here you can even increase the width of the pieces. Here I am cutting thin pieces. Now heat the oil. The oil should be of medium heat. Add the strips. into the oil and fry on low to medium flame. So once our chips becomes golden brown, take it out from oil and enjoy the snack. Here you can see how crispy it is. You can store it for 15 to 20 days in airtight container.